Have something done is a common English structure used to show when someone arranges for another person to do a service or task for them. The structure for have something done uses the subject followed by have or has, then the object, and then the past participle form of the verb. For example, I have my hair cut. This means I arrange for someone to cut my hair. This causative structure is used to express that the subject arranges for another person to do something. The subject does not do the action themselves, but causes it to happen through someone else. For example, I have my hair cut every month. This means I go to a hairdresser and arrange for them to cut my hair. It shows a service being done for the subject. Here are more examples. I have my car fixed every year. She has her house cleaned twice a week. We have our windows washed regularly. They have their clothes dry cleaned often. All show arranging for services. To make the negative form, use do not or does not before have. For example, I do not have my car repaired on Sundays. She does not have her hair cut very often. They do not have their house cleaned in winter. To form questions, use do or does before the subject followed by have, then the object and past participle. For example, do you have your car repaired often? Does she have her hair cut every month? Did they have their house cleaned yesterday? Have something done is more formal and usually shows professional services, like I have my hair cut. Get something done is more informal and can suggest more personal effort, like I get my car fixed. Common situations include beauty and personal care. For example, I have my hair cut or she has her nails done. Home and car services are also common, like we have our house painted or he has his car serviced. Remember, the key pattern is subject plus have or has plus object plus past participle. This structure is for professional services and arrangements focusing on the result, not who performs the action.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.